Hello everybody, that's a good and exciting news for all of you. I'm going to conduct a painting workshop on contemporary paintings. I will a little bit describe you in brief what are the contemporary paintings and why I'm going to conduct this painting workshop and why it is beneficial for all of you, whether you are advanced or whether you're beginners. Each and everyone should understand the concept of this contemporary painting. Most of the time people gets confused between realistic paintings in just copy work कि हमने वो पेंटिंग तो अच्छी तरीके से कॉपी कर ली और हमने वो पेंटिंग बना ली. There is a difference between the copying the work and creating your own creativity. So contemporary painting में होता क्या है? In the contemporary painting we try to add on our own thoughts, our own ideas, our own techniques, our own own feelings in all ways, whether it may be the drawing, it may be the coloring, it may be the patches, it may be the giving some information, it may be giving reflecting some ideas. वो सब कुछ हमें कंटेम्प्रेरी पेंटिंग के अंदर डालते हैं. इट इन अदर वर्ड्स यू कैन से दैट कंटेम्प्रेरी पेंटिंग आर द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर सोल. आपकी आत्मा का, आपके मन का वो रिफ्लेक्शन होता है कंटेम्प्रेरी पेंटिंग. सो इसी टाइप से हमें कंटेम्प्रेरी पेंटिंग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अभी कुछ ही समय के अंदर. मैं आपको उसके डेट्स भी बताने वाला हूँ और बताऊंगा कि किस तरीके से हम उसके ऊपर वर्क करने वाले हैं. ऑब्वियसली मैं 18x24 इंच साइज कैनवास लेने वाला हूँ और वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस इन एक्रेलिक्स. whenever you want to work with the acrylics or whenever you want to work with the colors, keep in mind that we require only few and limited colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, purple, and black and whites. These are the only colors which you are going to use in every painting, whether it may be landscapes, portrait, contemporary, animals, everything. Only these few colors are going to require, and a few flat brushes, a round brush, and 000 brush for the detailing part you will going to require. Canvas, if you have canvas, then you can go with the canvas or you can go with the equivalent paper, but I am going to prefer it with the canvas of 18x24 inch size, 18 inch in width and 24 inch in the height. So if you want to get the reference images and want to work more with it, you can message me directly. I will give you the reference images and the rough sketch to make yourself ready for the painting workshops. And this painting workshops is really gift for you in this coming Diwali, because on the 24th of on the 24th of October at the morning 7 a.m. we are going to start the workshops. I know this is the time where you might be eagerly waiting for the Diwalis, busy with the celebrations of the Diwalis, but you know one thing why I purposely choose these times. Especially it may be Dasera, it may be Holi, it may be Diwali. Especially I choose these times because most of the people are busy with these with the functions, with the schedule. But I want to select only those students. I want to work with those students who are really serious about the paintings, about the career of the paintings. क्योंकि देखो दिवाली, दसरा, ईद, ये सब चीज़ें चलते रहने वाली है, ये सब चीज़ें चलते रहेंगी. But once you are successful in any of the field, then each day is a Diwali for you. So try to manage your time. If possible, work with live with me, or if you are not possible for you to work, go live with me. The recordings will be there on YouTube, but I don't know till how much time I will keep those recordings on YouTube. So I suggest you, if you are seriously going to work on the paintings, then try at least the recordings also, which are available for you, and that will be only for a shorter period of time. So this is all for this painting announcement, and I hope you will really enjoy this. And one thing I can guarantee you, after the completion of this workshop, you will definitely give me a thanks in the comment box, because this will really improve a lot. And very few people know the concept of the contemporary art, because most of the artists are busy with the modern arts and abstracts and going with the realistic way, but they don't know the middle path of the contemporary art, which is what exactly the contemporary art. I'm going to explain you in detail what the contemporary art it is and how we can achieve the level. Each and every artist has different thoughts, different imaginations and different feelings which he has to express. What are my thoughts, what are my feelings, what are my dreams about the paintings, that I'm going to explain you in this contemporary workshop. So be with me, and if possible join with me. And to get the notifications of the workshops, you are supposed to press the bell notification of this channel and also subscribe the channel, so that whenever I will be live on this to conduct the workshop, you will automatically get notification through the YouTube channel only itself. And to get the rough sketch and the reference image, you message me on the WhatsApp and I will definitely try to give it to you. Till then, have a nice day. See you soon.